Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix WhatsApp unable to initiate a call on iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you're facing the issue that your WhatsApp app is unable to initiate a call, so let's see how can you easily do that. Now to do that, the very first thing is that you have to check your network, that you have a stable and a strongest network connection. Now to do that, you have to scroll in the control center and check the network connection. You can also try to enable and disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times to make a quick refresh with all of your network settings. Then go back from here, open your settings app and go for general, go for VPN and device management, and you have to make sure that your VPN is not connected. If you're connected to any VPN, try to disconnect with that, and after doing that you have to go back from here. So the very first thing you can try to update your WhatsApp apps, open App Store here, search for WhatsApp, and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending updates for your WhatsApp app. If you find trying to update your app and after updating, go back from here, try to make a force restart your iPhone. How to do that? You have to quickly press and leave the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. So let's try this. You have to quickly press only the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. Once you get the black screen, just wait for Apple logo, and once you get the Apple logo, you have to release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, you have to unlock your phone and you have to retry to make a call to check that your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, so you just have to open your settings app here, go for general, go for software update and try to make a software update, and after that go back, go for app section, and here you have to look for WhatsApp app and you have to try to check here all the permissions. You have to look for microphone permissions, camera permissions, also background app refresh and live activities. So after doing that, you just have to go back, and here you have to turn off data saver if you're on your iPhone or your Android. So you have to look for data saver, that your data saver must be turned off. So if you're in your iPhone, so you'll not get the setting, but if you're on your Android, so you'll get the setting of data saver. You must have to turn that off. And after that, the if your problem is still not fixed, you just have to open general, go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, and try to make a reset in all of your network settings from here. It will not delete any kind of your data, so you can easily try this, and after doing that, your issue must be fixed. If it's still not fixed, so go back from here, go for iPhone storage. Here you have to look for WhatsApp and you have to try to delete your app. So after deleting, you have to reinstall the app, and after reinstallation, your issue must be fixed. If there will be any bug or any malware into your WhatsApp app, it will be fixed in this step, and after that you'll not get the issue. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.